Vince Salvatore, Peace Dojo, Aikido of Reno. Harmony and failure. In many of the practices that we do at the Peace Dojo and Aikido of Reno, we're working on, even in conflict situations, how do you stay in a harmonious way? That being said, there's lots of opportunities for failure. Anything that's subtle, anything that's softer, and many times, of course, some of our approaches are very direct and very quick and direct. But anytime you're dealing with, you're really trying to do things in a softer or a more caring way, you can experience failure. So that's part of the experience too, is understanding that failure can actually be like a learning part of what we're doing. So it's not like we're saying all these lofty things and they're always going to work. They're not. But just knowing that the failure is part of the learning is really important. Love to see you down here sometime. Thank you for watching.